Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if your Squarespace site shows not secure or SSL isn't working, don't worry, because in today's small tutorial I will show you how to fix the SSL not working in Squarespace in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, go and make sure you are fully connected to the internet, everything is looking good. Look for Squarespace in your favorite browser. Open the website, log in using your email address and password. Then we're gonna go to settings or this gear icon. We're gonna look basically for all of these options. We have the developer tools right here, and we have the SSL. As you see here, mine is active. You can basically manage your SSL preferences, but make sure your website is fully active and it's published already. You should also confirm the domain is fully connected, since SSL won't activate unless the domain is connected properly. Check the DNS records. Incorrect DNS can block SSL activation. Disable any external SSL services. Remove third party from your domain provider. Then wait for SSL provisioning. SSL may take up to 24 hours to activate. Then you can do a small test by refreshing and checking the lock icon in your browser like this. And that's the main idea. Don't use any external SSL certificates, then avoid mixed content. I'm talking here about HTTP images. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.